What's going on, you guys? Aaron here from Departures Capital, and it's 10 a.m. Time for our live stream. So I just need to take a few minutes to get set up, post the link in our Discord group to the stream. Don't worry, it's not, well, we're not posting the link to the Discord group just yet. Yeah, so thanks so much for tuning in, guys. Let me see here. I'm just going to fire up my chat. I hope you guys can hear me. And then I'll get set up, take me a couple of minutes, then we'll take a look at the markets. Perfect. Good morning. Thanks for being consistent. What's your thoughts on ACB and Aphria? Where's my ballers? What's up, Joe? Thank you so much for the awesome start to the morning. Wow. Super chats before I even started streaming. Alright, I'll take a look at that for you in a sec. Just let me get started. Don't let me forget. Please. I just want a tiny bit of music. And then we'll get straight to it. Sorry, guys. I just made some tea, of course. Good morning, Eric. Good morning, Lisan. Good morning, M3, Michael Correa. Is that the right way to say it? What's up, Kyle? Good morning, Jacob. Oh, Jay Zeminski, Frederick. What's up, Scott? Thanks, man. Yeah, when I schedule the streams now, it's like, when I schedule the streams, it's a lot harder for me to miss them because I like to be consistent. It holds me accountable, and it works a lot better. I've noticed a lot more people tune in. What's up, Kenny? What's up, Josh? Nice to see you here, Josh. So, Joe, we'll get to your comment since you supported me above and beyond. So we're seeing ACB down again, down another 1.15%. So you asked me about ACB and Aphria. I just want to drop this, just want to put a nice little subtle beat on in the background, and then we'll get to things. There we go. Just pick something. 1 second, almost there. There we go. Okay, now we're in the comments. Rich pulled 15K from IGNG this morning and earns your tips. Thank you so much. Was up 150%, thinking about buying some Tesla. Damn, that's crazy. What's up, Peter? Hello, Charlotte. So we're gonna do a quick analysis for Aurora and Aphria for Joe. Just taking a look quickly at the charts. Obviously, we know that we all like Aurora. We all like Aurora. Oh no, sorry about the echo. I just want to simply let everyone know that we're live. What the heck is this? Let's go. There we go. All right, sorry. Back to the first stock. I'll take a look at the comments in just a sec. So, like I said, I did think Aurora was going to pull back around when it got. It was hard to call it exactly between 13 and 14, 13 and 15. I guess you could say. I do think. What are the markets doing today? We'll see how long the rally can sustain itself. I mean, it was good news yesterday. We're seeing a green day today. Honestly, I think it's just going to be a short-term pullback. We could see Aurora dip maybe another buck. That's kind of what I'm thinking. I mean, it's time for a pullback. If you look at all the other times it's ran, okay, so it ran up to 10. It struggled for quite a bit there. I think we could see maybe 12. Short term, maybe $12 unless something crazy happens. Now let's take a quick look. See, the RSI is still pretty overbought, right? It hasn't been that high in a long time. It wasn't even that high when we were hitting peaks of 16. So I'd say maybe look at the stock a little bit closer as a buy the dip opportunity when it gets in, when the RSI drops below 70. That's something else I'd look for. And the move down is on declining volume, so it's not as concerning. As you can see, volume's dropped off quite substantially. So it just could be just a bit of profit taking. That's what I think it is. But I think the rally remains intact. Now we're quickly going to take a look at Aphria. Since Joe was so awesome this morning. And then we'll get straight into our regular scheduled programming. So Aphria's at 13.25. It's been holding on to those levels pretty nicely. I personally sold Aphria at 14.02. Right when it popped up to 14 out. My price target was 14 for the short term because it ran from 4 something all the way to 14, and I was just like, you know what, that big leg up, I was almost tempted to sell it at 12. I'm pretty sure I sold a little bit at 12.50 or something, and then the remaining chunk at 14.02. But sorry guys, I'll take a look at the comments in just 1 second. This is the last one I gotta look at. What's up, Max? What's up? We got tea and coffee, a little bit of coffee left. What's your opinion on RTO chat? IGNG. We'll look at all that in just a second. Dip should be at 12.20. And it ain't done yet. What's up, Steve? Huge news for MMS, halted for now, 4 billion contract for 10 years. So yeah, we're getting tons of chat about IGNG. We'll be looking at that. You did call that one, guys, so that's pretty sweet. There was enough hype to blast it up again. It totally makes sense. But anyways, so for Aphria, this is a tough one now because we weren't able to push above 14 again, and we've kind of been seeing lower highs with support right around 12.50. So personally, I think we're going to go through another period like we saw back in 2018 where we kind of just drifted sideways unless we get more talks about another company buying Aphria. That's just personally what I think. I think Aphria's recovered enough to the point where it's fairly valued for where it is, but it's got a lot of room to run based on news and stuff. But I don't hold Aphria anymore. I feel like it's a little more speculative than it is. Like the reason why I hold Aurora would be a lot different for the reason why I would hold Aphria. So yeah, that's my take. And not to mention their management questionable at times. So good luck. Thank you, Joe. And let's get to the other stuff. I hope that helped you out. Hi, Aaron. What about FSD? Happy Johnny. What's up, Nevada Tucker? Carlos C. What's going on? Kirk Lindsay. What do you think the bottom would be on Acreage Holdings? So many questions, guys. First, I want to take a look at Nemaska Lithium. Quickly. Nemaska Lithium at 35 cents. The chart's actually looking pretty good. It's looking to be stabilizing. It's kind of making higher lows, which is nice to see. This stock has sold off like crazy. I wouldn't. I mean, it's not a bad idea to. I would take a look at the company, do a little more research, but almost considering this as a long-term, just buy and hold, put a little bit into there. That's what I'm thinking about. All right, so water close to 360. Thank you for mentioning that. Let's take a quick look at that. I will take my first position in this company if it keeps declining. Like I said, I've been talking about this forever. I think it's going to keep declining. So I've been extremely patient with this one. I started watching it here, right at, I don't know, it was like right around 3 something. Watched it shoot all the way up to 550, bounce, bounce, bounce. Didn't buy the dip either. So I think water's gonna fall to the low 3s, and then that's a place where it's gonna go. So what? Yeah. So let's take a quick look at IGNG. Everybody's talking about IGNG. Rich just texted me. Damn. Crazy. Yeah, we heard about this yesterday. I was told about this yesterday, so we got the tea now. I'm actually gonna add a little bit to my tea. I don't know if you guys can see this. Wow, it actually shows up on the green screen. The green screen's a little messed up today, guys. I don't know, there's not enough natural light in here. It's a little rainy. Just gonna add a little bit of tea in here. There we go. Yeah, Tea God's annoying. Tea God's annoying me. I was looking to sell, but now I gotta hold it for a little bit longer. Hold it till it gets to $6. Tea God's dipping below 5 now. Wonder if the rally's still intact. That's my only concern. If Tea God sells to 450, I'll add to that position. Because I want to take my... Well, I made most of my money back on Tea God. I hold it in the mid 5s, I'm pretty sure. Not a big position, though. You guys looking at ARK for long term? It's hard to say. I would have liked to see Tea God hold on to. Here, let's take a quick look. Tea God's such a funny name because I'm called the Tea God. I would have liked to see Tea God hold on to like $5, but unfortunately it essentially bounced off that $5. So it could potentially be resistance. I would say that the closest support for Tea God would be lower 4s, somewhere around here, 430 to start. And then heavier support at high 3s. But it had a tremendous run, so it's a tough one. I want to see Tea God above $5 though. Let's take a quick look, Jay, at the DXY. The DXY needs to go to like, I don't know why the DXY keeps rallying. It's pissing me off. Is it pissing you off? Gold's still up like, it says gold's up 0.76%, but that's not true. I guess the investing.com charts are a little bit delayed. Wall Street falls as Fed turns, what? Wall Street falls as the Fed turns dovish. 943. We'll read the news. IGNG, I know you heard I got 130,000 yesterday. Yes, sir. What's up, Tom? Tea God is like a bipolar girlfriend with huge mood swings. Yeah. I know what you're saying there. That's hilarious. Wall Street flat as Fed fever cools. Wall Street was little changed after the opening bells. A very dovish Federal Reserve took investors by surprise. Fed left rates unchanged as expected on Wednesday, but took a more dovish stance on monetary policy. The fear factor here is how weak exactly is the economy. How afraid is the Fed at this point? Because to make a 180-degree turn like they did is significant. They always kept the door open for another rate hike, and now that window seems to be shut tight, and that is spooking investors. So that makes sense. I mean, I've been talking about how rosy it isn't for a while, but the S&P is climbing into the red. So Comex, not Combs. Gold Comex is up 10 today. Gold spot is even. That's the difference you are seeing. If you go to Bloomberg Commodities, you'll see the difference. Thank you. Oh shoot, you're right. I don't ask for likes anymore. If you guys could smash the like button, that'd be sweet. Support my stream. I didn't even have to ask. I mean, we still have 100. We almost have 100 people, but like 32 likes. 3 dislikes already. Our dislikes have been going up. People must be hating that I'm so consistent. Anyways, word to the wise, careful on the FOMO with the penny stocks. So it's time to check on a few things. IMT. Let's see what's going on for IMT. IMT's flat at 6.5 cents today. Bought this last week at 7 cents. Added a little bit to it today. So just gonna hold this long term, see what happens. 6.5 cents. Okay, so let's get into the cannabis stock portfolios. We didn't even check on those just yet. We just did those quick little analysis. All right, we should see the precious metal miners dip today. Let's go. This thing's so slow. It's because I got way too many tabs open. All right. You guys see that? Martel, thank you for joining our Discord group. That reminds me, I will quickly post a link to the Discord group in the chat there, and then we'll get straight into our market recap watch list. Thank God it's muted now. Yeah, guys, like button's right over here. Thank you. We got 20 more likes, so that's awesome. Support the stream. Okay, so let's do this. Evenco rising again. Holy, let's take a look at Evenco. Evenco's been up double digits for the past 2 days. Pure Global's been making a really nice recovery too, back up to 24 cents. Would have been a good buy at 19. Harvest One Green Thumb. FSD Pharma's up to 23.5 cents. I thought it was going to rise a bit more yesterday. IAPR fresh 52-week high. Over 90 bucks. Man, Ceneva's rising, MedMen's rising. That's what I like to see. Not by much though. It's not really a green day today, just for a couple companies. We're seeing a couple more stocks in the red. But not that heavy, not that many heavy decliners. I'm happy to see Alkaline Water continue to sell off. I'll watch that one at 350, I guess. Take care of Aaron. Thank you. Hey, not very hard to smash the like button. I have 2,500 shares of Namaste. Hold sell. We'll take a quick look at Namaste. I haven't looked at Namaste in a little while. I know that they recently announced that they're hiring a new firm to do their financials, and they're going to be late, but they applied for the stock to still be able to trade, and the insiders aren't allowed to trade it. So that's pretty much all the news that came out recently for Namaste. It's getting back down towards 70 cents. So looks to be selling off again. There's just a lot of uncertainty. There's not much else to be said. I would hold. I mean, it depends. Like, if you're probably down on the stock, like most of us are, unless you got it in 2017. And Namaste went from 25 cents all the way up to 4.40 in like a few short months. That's craziness. Almost got back up there. I remember at one point we were almost at $4. That's crazy. Yeah. Pure Global went up 11%. Yeah, Pure Global looks like it was a good play at 19 cents. I sold Pure Global around 25 cents before it sold off, so I didn't rebuy back in. I just was looking for one swing trade on that one. But I think Pure is a pretty good company. They got their license, they got some good agreements, so don't own Pure, but slightly bullish on Pure. Okay, so let's see what else is going on here. MedMen almost at $4. I'd like to see MedMen hold $4, although my concern with MedMen is that we're making lower highs. That's a little concerning for me. The charts for MedMen recently looks like we're making lower highs. You guys can see this. I really want to see MedMen push above at least 430, 440. Get back up to... MedMen's a strong watch for me right now. I did not add any shares to MedMen. But we do own a nice little chunk. Suneva's selling off below $4, $5, $4. That would suck. YouTube, come on, man, YouTube. Yeah, Namaste's a frustrating one. Sorry, DG Stocks. Wow, MCOA, 24% marijuana company of America, screaming this yesterday. I like to follow the fast movers, but honestly, it sounds bad, but I don't buy into hype that much. There's nothing wrong with it. Honestly, the only stock that I bought into recently that was a super small cap was IMT, because I like the mining sector too, but yeah, I appreciate all your stuff though, DG Stocks. I guess yeah, I don't know what to say when it comes to that. MCOA, keep going up. Just keep feeding us the information. You know, I get lots and lots of stuff thrown at me every day, so it's kind of like if I invested in everything people said every day, like I get messages on Facebook, check out this stock, what do you think about this stock? This stock's going to be the next winner. But like, obviously there's people who are right a lot more of the time than people who are just throwing stuff at the wall. Rich was saying he doesn't trade penny stocks and only trades $1 to $3 stocks, but now he's trading a lot of pennies. Well, I mean, there's obviously those stocks that, you know, you see them and you're like, holy smokes, this sounds like a great opportunity, or this company is going to blow up, or you get some information, and I'm totally down for that. But I guess I'm a pretty conservative investor sometimes. Like the recent riskier ones that I bought recently were, no, I totally agree with you, and I thank you for always sharing your stuff. Always share your stuff. This is a community where we can like learn from each other, share our thoughts and research, and that's what it's here for. Because honestly, I can't I don't have enough time to do all the research myself. So yeah, I appreciate you. That's cool. Appreciate everybody in this community that contributes in any kind of way, comments, whatever. That's really cool. That's what builds a strong community. Yeah, so obviously there is different times for penny stocks too. The last stock I bought, or the riskier stocks that I bought recently that were kind of penny stocks, 360 Risk Solutions, and of course IMT. I just like the mining sector too, and I liked what I heard about the report that I put out and stuff. So it's one of those stocks that I'm willing to see what happens. It could go down by 50%. It could skyrocket. Excuse me. That's one that I'm just willing to hold on to. But yeah, totally. Whoa. DC Capital. Thank you. I'll hit the like plus M sub. That's right. So I just wanted to quickly look at Evenco. So Evenco has been skyrocketing. They recently secured financing from one of the big banks. And the stock's been absolutely on fire recently. It wasn't even that much. It was like less than 20 million. Stock's ready to put in fresh 52-week highs. Although their last 52-week high was around 65 cents, I believe. That was back in, look at the massive amount of volume going into that stock on its 52-week highs. Didn't miss too much, Spartacus. We just simply took a look at ACB and Aphria. Joe dropped me an awesome super chat before I even started, which I wasn't expecting, and then we just were talking about some penny stocks. And what else did we talk about? The stock that's exploding today. Yep. So anyways, Evenco, just one to watch. I'd be careful with that one. Safe 360 Risk Solutions. This is one that I recently got into, and it's not been doing too much, but I like the idea of being a security company in the cannabis sector. My only concern is that it's going into a downtrend. I hope this is not the start of a nice downtrend. Trying to find some support. Support should be at 56 cents. So let's take a quick. Why is this in the way here? Thank you. Where was it? We hopefully are going to see some support at 15 cents. That's a terrible chart. Sorry, 15 cents, 56 cents. What am I saying? Yeah, we'll see if we can hold on to that, guys. But yeah, like this company, interesting company, security for the cannabis sector. For me, it's a hold for a long time. IIPR doesn't ever stop going up. Simply just talking about this, excuse me, I wouldn't buy IIPR at those highs. That's just me personally. Fantastic performance. The run does look pretty good though. Looks like it could potentially go to 100. We'll see if it breaks the triple digits. Oh. Feeling good today. Worked out back. Oh man. Yes, Ed. I mean, it depends on where you got into IIPR. The only reason I don't like IIPR is because I didn't buy it. But it's been a fantastic performing company. No one can lie about that. I sure hope that crop can be an IIPR one day. But right now it's just a little crop in the field. At 32 cents. I'm trying to grow lots. I'd love to have better lots, but I'm not trying to fly away. That's funny. Oh, Severia. It's awesome that you talked about that company because I actually own some of it. Let's see what's going on. I recently bought Severia right around 13 bucks. And this is one stock that I like for a couple reasons. It pays a 3% dividend, which is all right, but I like the fact that it's in the long-term care sector. So they make like mechanical lifts and stuff for like older people, things like that. I think the stock, the charts look pretty good. You know, it's been a lot higher. At one point, it's been a $16 to $20 stock. We're making higher lows, higher lows. Yeah, I think Severia looks really good. So we did buy some at $13. Like that one. Aaron, a few push-ups will help keep in shape. I've been hitting the gym every day. I've been finally getting my fitness back in check. Honestly, I used to work out so much, and I used to be into like, well, it wasn't bodybuilding, but I used to be into working out a lot more. And then I moved to China, and it was like I forgot about all that stuff. Too much partying, too much fun, no time for gym. I'm a drywaller. I think so weird and funny when I hear someone that works in the office say they need to hit the gym. Kyle. So, yeah, I don't know. I mean, sitting at this damn computer desk all day is like kills my neck and back, so I need to like I definitely, that was one thing for this year, was getting in better shape. So anyways, I want to look at, like, I'll show you, I want to look at our stocks for 2019 watch list. So Severia Corporation's definitely going to be in there. Wow, Electronic Arts and Activision Blizzard. Both gaming stocks are up like crazy. Brookfield Property Partners, nice. Putting in some 2.7% gains. Nice to see that happening. Inner Pipeline, First Mining Gold putting in some gains. ISO deal. Largo Resources up again. American Hotel Income Properties. Severia Corporation. Man, Northwest Healthcare froze. He broke the internet. Sorry, Steve. What happened? Are we frozen or what? I'm still getting comments on my phone. But did the stream, is the stream still working? Okay. Yeah. Carlton Gonzalez. Yes, we definitely like Northwest Healthcare Properties as well. What are we talking about here? Washington Redskins players are former players and former players. Alright, so anyways, we'll be watching IGNG on the day. Still up 120%. 20 cents. Come on, water, keep selling. Water's down to 367. Let's take a look at water on the American Exchange just to see. Nah. You know what I like to see? I know this is bearish. I'm sorry if anybody owns water here. I'm not sorry for you. Like, I want to buy the company, but I like to see water red on a green day, because that means there's more selling pressure. That means that when it is a red day, water's gonna sell off even more. Looking to pick this up in the low threes. So that'd be sweet. Still not working. DC is frozen. Are we working now, or what's going on? Apparently there's internet issues with a few of the service providers. All right. Good. So yeah, so water's a watch, but I'm happy that it's selling off. A couple more red days or another heavy red day. I'm gonna start to look at water around $3. Probably do a little more due diligence about the company just to look at a few things, but I've been watching water for a very long time, so I'll wait a little bit longer too. Please don't run away on me. All right. Good morning, Nick. Brownie Iverson, what's up? T-God turning around. We'll have to see. What I want to see is MedMen go up to $4 and hold that, because right now it's a little bit shaky. Suniva, I want to see Suniva hold $5. Yeah, it's hard to say right now. Looking to add to a couple more positions, but I'm just thinking about a couple things. Alkaline Water, Alamos Gold, 10 cent in the red. 10 cents down 3.2%. Man, Aphria Health's getting kind of attractive around $2. I will admit. GT Gold, Aurora Cannabis down 0.77%. Looks like there's not that much selling pressure on ACB today. Freeport-McMoRan down 0.66%. Sierra Senior Living looking to potentially add to Canadian Utilities if we pull back a little bit more. Where is JD.com today? Is JD.com not on our list? Oh, there we go. Up 0.8%. Damn. I definitely, of course, am more bullish on ACB than T-God. So yeah, feel free to drop those requests, guys. I'm just going to simply look at a few stocks that I think are looking pretty good right now. I definitely think Aphria Health's looking pretty good in the low 2s with some decent looking support right in and around $2 if we do fall that low. That is possible. So you think Aphria Health is going to be the next stock to tank is essentially what you're saying? Yeah, DG stocks, you deserve many more subscribers. You should make a channel. You should make videos. There we go. I just subscribed. You got 3 subscribers. Rich is live talking about IGNG. Oh, damn. Wait a sec. Wrong account, sorry. Oh, I wanted to take a quick sec. I know this is a little off topic, but I wanted to take a quick sec. Here. Also, there you go. You got more subscribers now. DG Stocks. You got 6 subscribers. Anyways, get my buddy. I want to show you this really funny meme, and then we'll get straight back to things. Some people were in the comments being like, oh, you're so distracted on your live streams. Come on, man. I told them, like, this is time for me to talk to my community, look at stocks, and that kind of stuff. So the first meme was, every time you giggle, so you remind me of Muttley. Apparently I remind someone of Muttley. This is one of my all-time favorite memes. And the part I liked the most about it was, I've got an Aurora chain on. My mom gave me an Aurora chain so Tom would play with me. I don't know, that's a little questionable from Steve. Steve's a rising star in the group. I don't know what he's talking about, but yeah, maybe he meant collaborate together. Steve, if you're in here, if you're in here, I like your questionable comments, but yeah, so there we go. Okay, buddy. Oh, shoot. I'm glad that you've got my stream playing in the background. Let's see, DG has, yes sir, DG has 6 subscribers now. Good stuff. Steve is a joker. We need more Steves, but unfortunately there's only one. So you're special, Steve. Okay, great idea. Choom Holdings. 69 cents. The stock's pulled back a little bit. Let's take a look at the charts. I haven't looked at Choom for a little while. I'll approve your comment. I don't know why YouTube flags comments when it says check out my channel. But check out Kyle's channel for awesome drone videos. But yeah, so let's take a look at Choom. Hard to say for Choom. The sell-off was on heavily declining volume, which is a good thing in my opinion. And now it's just a matter of seeing if we hold. But if I was super bullish on Choom, pullback looks alright. Excuse me, I'd be ready to add it again to it. Oh my gosh. At 58 cents. $0.58. Adding now and then at 58 cents, I wouldn't go all in on Choom. $125 million market cap. It's got a pretty decent 52-week range, and the technicals are daily to monthly are a neutral to a buy. The consensus summary of technicals, the hourly, daily, and monthly. I mean, it's leaning a little more into the green, but like I said, it's hard to really call it exactly. So if I was super long on Choom, I'd pick up a few now and then wait and see if it went to 59, 60 cents. But it's a cool company. Check out my channel. Yeah, I'll allow that one. Check out my channel if you're into. Alright. There's always time for memes. There's always time for memes. I totally agree. So if you guys got any new memes, if you want to do a new meme about me, I like the memes where you guys Photoshop me in there. It's super hilarious. So what else we got here today? It's 10:43, so the markets are rallying quite a bit. Up 0.4% on the S&P. Nasdaq's up 0.65%. Let's take a look at Boeing. Let's see what Boeing's been up to since the incident. Wow, that's awesome. Are you serious, James? We will be there, sir. It's going to be awesome. If you're... Yeah, we'll talk about the 420 Expo real quick, man. Boeing just keeps dropping. I don't think Boeing's going to recover for a little while. Boeing's red on a green day, which is a little bit concerning. Might take them some time to fix that out. That's awesome, James. I'm excited. I'm happy that you're coming out. So yeah, we'll quickly talk about that. Yeah, so just a brief reminder, guys. I'm helping out promote this event as I will be there I'm doing 2 panels, one about cannabis investing, so that'll be very interesting. I'm sure you guys can help me contribute, or help contribute to that, and then one about how the new laws affect the consumer. You're a snowflake. And then, yeah, so Niagara Falls 420 Expo is a celebration of all things cannabis and community. 20,000 square feet of cannabis, including exhibitors, educational seminars, guest speakers, manufacturers, and more. North America's largest celebration of all things cannabis. So it'll be fun. Anybody who wants to come out, come out. I'll be there. I know a bunch of people are going to be coming out, and it can be fun. We can go out and have some fun after. Just have a good time. And embrace the legalization. Good morning, Derek. What's up, Josh? You're a poser, Elon. A stoner, you are not. DC, are you giving out merch at the 420 Falls Expo? I'm gonna have something. I don't know if I'm gonna give out merch, or I'll figure out what I'm gonna do for that. I'm not sure just yet. But yeah, so since I'll have a booth, I need to get creative, and any ideas would be helpful. So we'll see. Might do a live stream from the event. Anyways, we'll get back into our other stuff. So we'll get back into our regular scheduled content, giving out new Cadillacs. I would give out new Cadillacs if my channel had 1 million subscribers. Wow, I like that idea, Josh. I'll have, you know, I gotta have my tea there, you guys. These are all things I need to write down. Okay. We're gonna make a quick little list here. Niagara 420 event. Tea? I should make Departures Capital. I should make something funny like Departures Capital Traders Tea. Would you guys buy it if it was like a reasonable price and it was good? Stream live event would be sick. Half naked lady. Yeah, let's get me to 100,000 subs. That would be so sweet. Okay, so merch, some kind of merch. We gotta have something to give you guys. Free shipping. Okay. But get a sick design on it, only fonts. Alright. Yeah, we'll have to look into that. Got a whole bunch of stuff to do. And also, I'm working on a VIP Trader Premium version, and also a bunch of different courses. Putting together some really good courses. That's what's been keeping me so busy. Like 6 to 7 videos and 6 to 7 PDFs per course. Pretty extensive courses. Aaron to open infused bubble tea shop on Yonge Street in the fall of 2020. Man, that is the best idea I've heard yet. All my ladies can come and check out the bubble tea. Like Steve. Steve loves tea. $10%, but okay. This is another company that, you know what, guys? Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait till they release their dividend. The stock's gonna drop a little bit, and I'm gonna jump in. Every time they release their dividend, it pulls back a little bit. So yeah, for today, Aphria Health is a watch, Water's a watch. 2 stocks I'm kind of considering. Man, Northwest Healthcare just keeps on running. I regret not dumping all of it into this one. Not all of it. Give out DCT. I like that idea. That's actually such a cool idea. All right. Sorry, I just gotta quickly check my messages in case we got the press release. Nope. MedMed making a move. Thank you for telling me that. Let's take a quick look. At least friggin' OTC markets aren't. At least OTC markets aren't delayed. I hate delayed quotes. Super annoying. Yeah, MedMen does look to be making a bit of a move. I know, guys. Buy the data package, a little cheap sack it. Tea bags in the shape of a nut sack. Why shopping today, Aaron? So you don't like 48 North? I didn't buy into the rally for 48 North, so I probably won't buy the pullback. Whenever stocks get a ton of hype like that, I don't know, I just I tend to avoid them. The only stock that I've bought into the hype, I'm trying to think about all the different cannabis stocks that I've traded. I traded Kron way before the hype. I traded T-God way before the hype. Swag brokers. Let's check this out, Nevada Tucker. It's taking so long to load. I don't know what's up. No, ACB is definitely hyped, but I bought ACB at $2, so that was a while ago. First time I ever bought ACB was at $2.17, so that's a long time ago. Haven't looked at Cali in a while. We can take a look though. Yeah, Even Co is on fire. Can't lie about that. They just got financing from the big banks, so that's pretty good to see. I haven't looked at Cali for a while. I know that this stock was one of those hype stocks. It was exploding, and we'll take a look at the charts. Holy crap, did that thing explode back in 2017. Yeah, it looks like heavy support at 6 cents. I mean, looks like it could finally be reversing the trend. I'd have to do my due diligence on this company. Like, I don't know much about it, so I don't like to give advice if I'm not the one to be given the advice. Canada-based company engaged in the development of CBD therapeutics. Disease sites within the body. CBD I do like the CBD sector. Don't have enough exposure to that. $26 million market cap. I'd have to do more research about it, but no, it sounds pretty good. Looks like it could be on sale. I'm kind of tempted. But it's up 6% today. I'll add that to the list actually. Thanks for that. Let's see, Cali. Oh, today we're gonna look at a bunch of different copper miners today. I know you guys might not be too excited, but it's something that I gotta do. So we're gonna be looking at some copper miners today. Just as I put this portfolio together, and I really want to add more exposure to the copper sector. So KALY we're going to add to the list, and then we are going to look at that. Check out the news on MacArthur Minerals Limited. It's huge. You know what? DPAC CB Phase 3 planned for the end of the year. DPAC, so are we talking about Cali? Okay, cool. Yeah, we are. So thanks for that news. I'll check that out. Still have a little cash left, so Cali might be one that I'm considering. I want more exposure to CBD, but like I said, I want to do more research on it. I like the chart for Cali though. Alright, so I might be streaming later today. It's hard to say. I need to finish up shooting a few videos for the course that I'm designing and editing. So if I can get all that crap done by 2 o'clock, I'll jump back on. My pops just sent me an email about CBDs. That's a cool pops. Cannabis derived CBD oil finding. Let's see what they say. Cannabis derived CBD oil finding place in ever more products. From skincare lotions to bottled water, cannabis companies are rolling out a growing array of consumer products infused with the chemical found in marijuana, CBD. The US retail market is projected to swell from an estimated $2 billion to $16 billion by 2025. A key factor in that forecast is the growing variety of CBD products that companies are bringing to market, such as drink capsules. We know all this kind of stuff. Proponents say CBD can relieve pain and anxiety along with other health benefits. Who here uses CBDs? I've heard so many good things about CBDs, and I've actually never tried CBDs. Canopy growth also made a splash last year after wine, liquor, and beer company Constellation Brands. We know that. So, THC, yes. CBD, no. Yeah, obviously, a lot of us have tried THC, but CBD, I've never tried CBD. It would be, you know what? I feel like it'd be nice to try some CBD. Maybe I'll go out and get some today. Maybe I'll go out and try some CBD. Nick, what do you mean they're cheating CBD oil in USA? Yeah. So I'm gonna take a look. I think CBDs. My friend who's a bodybuilder, he uses CBDs to recover, and he says it's fantastic. So that's pretty good. Home grow. So, anyways, yeah. So we're gonna look at those copper stocks right now. Like I said, didn't want to get too off topic here. We're seeing some big gains for Sierra Minerals. Let's see what we're getting here. Sorry, just answering one quick message. What's bodybuilding? Okay. Italia Mining is down 9.76%. Let's take a look and see what's going on. Southern Copper. We're seeing a lot of these stocks in the green. London Mining. I want to look at the charts for these companies to see where they're at right now. Looking to take a couple positions in some copper stocks. Wow, this one is down like crazy, rising 5% today. Sierra Minerals, we'll have to take a look. Damn, that thing sold off. What I'm gonna do over this weekend, I'm gonna do my research and due diligence on a bunch of these different companies, look into their operations, where they're mining out of, what their cost is, all that kind of stuff. Because I am fairly bullish on copper for the next 5 to 10 years. I feel like copper is going to be a very important metal. CBD and roids? Sorry, Aaron, did you look at CGC chart? We'll get a tiny bit sidetracked here. We'll replace Aphria Health for CGC and take a quick look for you. All right, buddy, let's see what's going on for Canopy. I know it's down 0.9%. One thing I see though is it's still making higher lows, higher lows. The chart still looks kind of strong for Canopy. All right, so a lot of these copper stocks look pretty good right now. Italia Mining. I don't know what's going on for Italia Mining, why it's dropping so much. Let's take a quick look. I'm definitely going to start to take positions in all these copper companies. Other than golds, like we already have big positions in gold, silver, kind of in lithium, but I want to start to look at copper. Let's see what's going on for this company. Any news? Italia Mining's buy rating reaffirmed by Peel Hunt. Wonder why it's dropping today. It's PE ratio. Peel Hunt reiterated their buy rating on shares of Italia Mining and research report. Strange, strange, strange. $300 million market cap. $5.47 billion market cap. Yeah, have you followed Steve Carlin? He does good mineral research. No, I haven't. Sven Carlin. Sven Carlin. All right, cool. I'll write that down. Sven Carlin. Oz oneness. Don't be shy. Am I being shy? Check in Med Pharma. They research CBD. All right, so Trilogy Minerals, TMQ. This stock's had a really nice run. $434 million market cap. Let's see what else we got going on here. Wow. Company's almost at 52-week highs. Looks a little pricey. London Mining Company. Let's see what we've got going on here. I heard London's a good one. Yeah, this is what I like to see. A little bit more of a sell-off. $4.80 up to $6. That chart looks pretty good though. Let's see what else we got here. Copper Mountain Mining Corporation. Okay, Copper Mountain. Excuse me. Sorry, sir. I won't drop my ACB and go over to Canopy. I'm good with ACB. Copper Mountain at $1 right now. There's so many companies I want to pick up. Ugh, this is so frustrating. Think I'm gonna start some positions in some of these copper companies today. Arrow Copper. Let's see what Arrow Copper is up to. The one stock we do own here is Freeport-McMoRan. It's been doing a lot better recently. All right. Man, this stock's had a tremendous run. I'd be careful about that one. Arrow Copper. I don't like to buy charts close to 52-week highs. Technicals are pretty good on it. It's $1.38 billion market cap. That's it for our copper miners for today. I'll let you guys know if we buy any of those. I just want to look quickly at the oil and gas sector. Crescent Point's up another 6.88%. This thing is skyrocketing back up, and Precision Drilling's at 340. Might be time to get our money out of the oil sector soon. I would be super happy. Crescent Point has been, wow, the thing sold down to like 330. Precision Drilling though, making a recovery. A substantial recovery. I'm more bullish on the drillers than I am on the producers right now. But yeah, so lunch and medical. So yeah, guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna wrap this stream up very soon. But before we go, just as I always do, I'm gonna quickly drop the link in the Discord group, or I'm gonna drop the link to the Discord group in the chat. Feel free to join it. We just hit 300 members. 300 members is awesome. It's a big accomplishment. I didn't expect the group to grow that fast, and I think that's awesome. So yeah, we're seeing today's kind of not too much going on. ACB is just chilling. We are seeing some big movers, IGNG, and markets are in the green, tech's in the green, commodities are kind of so-so. But we might be back later on in the afternoon for a recap, potentially 2:30. I gotta go shoot these videos though. I gotta go shoot these videos right now. But thank you everybody for tuning in. And yes, we'll see you guys very soon. Thank you so much. And we'll talk to me in the Discord group if you got any questions, or send me a personal message on Discord. Sometimes I don't check the group chat that much. I try my best. I always try my best. So thank you everybody. Bye-bye.